What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from Disney Springs, and tonight we are invited out by Planet Hollywood for dinner under the stars. Yes, apparently there are some gourmet items we need to try on the menu. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. All-time favorite movies, Back to the Future 3. Love it. So check out some of these food options and drink options. Giant margaritas, shakes, a Ferris wheel of appetizers, and more. Looks really, really good. Thank you.
It's not a lot of units, but it's better than that.
That is ridiculous. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Disney Springs, and I do want to say thank you to Planet Hollywood for inviting us out to dine under the stars. We had some awesome food and drinks and had a chance to check out some neat memorabilia. Overall, this place, scale of 1 to 10, I would give it probably an 8.5 to a 9. Food itself, however, though, I'd give it probably a 9 to a 9.5. Prices are pretty good, and hopefully we're going to be back. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.